What's up, guys? Right, this is with me, Solomon. What's up, guys? This is Forza Horizon 5, and I've received some comments on my YouTube, the video I made for capturing photos. And my connection, I think, of the TV isn't exactly right. You see, I'm on the Horizon online at this moment, so I'm just going to test it. And I know that I can. So, okay, capture photo, and now it stands still. It's not moving anymore. So the one bloke was right. He said no, that it shouldn't make any difference if it's online or not. But I just want to see it now. I think that would have been a great photo as well. Like I said, I can't. It's kind of pixelated and what's it? It's pixelated, the image, what I'm seeing, and inverted. I think it's kind of inverted, not really, but okay. Well, let me show you anyway. If that happens again, I'd like to do it because have a look. See online. Let's say Horizon Solo. Return to Horizon Solo, yes. Okay, now I'm in Solo, so let's get a new image over there. And it did stay still, so I don't know if that was that. I like my shutter a little bit exposed, or what do you call it again? A slow shutter speed, not that fast. So it can create that. Take a look at this. Let's zoom in. See the tires moving now. There. Yes, that's because of the shutter speed. Okay, and that's really all I want to do. Just wanted to show this or check this out. And yeah, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel. And if you're online as well, or if you're streaming and need some help with anything, check out my Twitch and let me know in the comments of this YouTube video. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.